How to fix Instagram an unexpected error occurred problem. So if you are trying to log into your account and it's saying that an unexpected error occurred on your Instagram, then that might be due to virus reason. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Instagram from where when you enter the credentials you'll be able to log in. So the first reason for getting this error is due to your wrong credentials. So if you enter the information that is wrong over here, then also you won't be able to log in, rather you'll be able to get that warning. This is the first thing. So for that, you just can enter correct password and email, and if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password option, and after that you'll be able to reset your password, and once again you can come over here and you can log in. This is the thing. And another thing is, if you have got weak internet connection, then also this problem may occur. So you just have to swipe down your notification panel and you have to check whether or not your internet connection is strong. If you are using your mobile data or cellular data, then make sure you are at a good network connection, and after doing that you'll be able to fix your problem. This is the second thing. Now another thing is, you have to go back and you have to open up to apps, and here you have to press and hold over Instagram, and there is eye icon at the right of corner. Just tap over the eye and you'll be opened up to this section. So here you just have to scroll down and there's a storage option. Just tap over there, and at the right bottom corner there is clear cache option. Just tap over the clear cache, and with simply clearing the cache you'll be able to refresh your Instagram and you'll be able to log in easily. This is the thing. Now at last, if you are still unable to do so, then you just have to uninstall your Instagram application and reinstall it. For installing, you just can press and hold over this Instagram application, and here is uninstall option. You just can tap over there, and after a few time you can go to Google Play Store, and from over there also you can search for the Instagram application and you can install it and you can try it out. So with these fixes, you'll be able to fix if an unexpected error occurred on your Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some confusion, then you can list down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.